Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am your Deepti ma'am. Today we will learn about blue color. Which color? Blue color.
Let us see blue color. See what's there. Blue in color. Let us see blue colors.
You know what is blue color? Let's learn about this. Blue is one of the three primary colors in the RGB color model. Blue color is one of the three primary colors in the RGB color model. RGB means red, green, blue. Okay? I will show you some pictures of blue color objects. Oh, what are these? These are balloons. These are balloons. And which color is this? Blue color. Blue color. Balloons. Very good, children.
Blue, 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 B-L-U-E. Blue, 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 blue.
My God, what is this? This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin, and dolphin is a aquatic animal. Dolphin is a aquatic animal. And which color is this? Blue color. Blue color. Dolphin.
Water is blue and the sky is too. Blueberries, blue jeans, bluebirds too.
Oh, what is this? This is a crayon. This is a crayon. And which color is this? Blue color. Blue color. Crayon. Now tell me, what is this? Very good. This is a cloud. And which color is this? Blue color. Blue color. Cloud.
That's the color blue. Blue.
Oh, a beautiful frog. Which color is this? Blue color. Blue color. Frog.
Pink or blue, pink or blue, pink or blue, pink or blue. Pink, 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 blue, blue, blue. I like pink, pink, pink.
Next one is sky. Sky. And which color is this? Blue color. Blue color. Sky.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
My eyes are blue.
My eyes are blue.
The ocean is blue.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Now it's quiz time. Circle the blue objects. Okay? Is this blue color? Yes, this is a balloon. Blue color balloon. This blue color? No. Is this blue color? Yes, this is blue color pencil. This blue color? No, this is yellow color duck. This blue color? Yes, you are right, children. Blue color flower. This blue color? No, this is green color frog. Very good, children.
Blue, blue, blue. Blue like the sky. Blue, blue, blue. Blue like the bat.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankids.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
hope you all are enjoying this video. See you next class. Bye bye children.
Everyone, like, share and subscribe Udayan Kids.